Hello everyone, welcome to Math Jamboree. We have another digital SAT math type of a question with us. Let's solve this question. And the first equation is given as 3 times y plus 1 plus 3b times y plus 6 is equal to b times y plus 30. In the equation above, b is a constant. What is the value of b? If there is no value of y that satisfies the equation, this means that y, you will have y on the both sides of the equation, but same amount. Let's say if you will have 2 y's on the left side, you will have 2 y's on the right side, so that they can go ahead and eliminate each other. So therefore, we will just try to find the values of y's, and we will just then set up our equation to solve it. Normally, you will need to distribute this 3 into parentheses. It's 3y plus 3, but I don't need plus 3. That's why I won't write it over here. I will just keep going with this. 3b times y is 3by. Again, I don't need the 3b times 6 is equal to by plus b 30b, but I don't need that 30b again. I'm just dealing with the terms that has y in it. So we will just get a y in parentheses. 3 plus 3b is equal to just by. We can go ahead and divide both sides by y to get rid of these y's. So we will have 3 plus 3b is equal to 1b. I can just take away b from both sides. So this will become 3 plus 2b is equal to 0. Let's take away 3 from both sides now to isolate the variable b. 2b will be equal to negative 3. But I need 1b. What is the value of the b? So we will divide both sides by 2. That's going to give us, these 2 cancels each other out. Negative 3 over 2 for the b. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I wish you good luck on your tests and exams. See you next time. Bye-bye.